Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and it's Rush from more reviews with another review. Alright, so we're back in Maypen, Clarendon, and I know most persons probably figure out where I am by now. We're back at the Millennium Mall. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. Just pause the video and click that subscribe button. Once the button is red, you have not yet subscribed. So subscribe, guys. Join the family and turn on your post notification bell. So once we do an upload, you get that notification. Remember to like the video and leave a comment as well. And remember to share the video also. So I did a video on this property, the Millennium Mall in Maypen, Clarendon, Mineral Lights. Sagicor is the developer. It's been or it was developed by Sagicor. So we're just doing an update. I did a video like 5 months ago, so I want to see what has changed. It doesn't seem as if a lot has changed so far though. But let's see. I'll put the previous video in the description and the comment section, so you guys can take a look at the previous video. And if you're thinking about donating to the channel, we have PayPal, another option. Your donation will go towards better equipment, especially a drone for the channel. Alright, so we're seeing that there is a lot of parking space. Alright, so leave your comments, guys. Leave your comments. Alright, so we have Devon House ice cream. But this mall is still a bit unoccupied, not a lot of tenants as yet. I'm thinking probably COVID has slowed down some of the occupancy. But let's take a walk through. So this is another tenant, SSMC Express International. Devon House was the first tenant we saw. Alright, so this is the proposed area for the food court. Because of COVID, you can't do any dining, so it's cordoned off. But I don't think any restaurants moved in as yet since our last update. They also have a space for a hardware supermarket and movie theater. Alright guys, so there you have it. The Millennium Mall, developed by Sagicor. Still basically empty, to be honest. Not much has changed since our last visit. So again, I'll link that first video in the description. Not much to see inside. It's basically empty. And for privacy reasons as well, we were instructed that we can't really video anymore, because there are some potential, they say, there are some potential businesses coming in, so until they're open and active. You know, they don't really want to share their share what's happening. So for the most part, inside is empty, so you guys haven't missed anything. It's like 2 active business over there, SSMC, Devon House, and then I think a boutique. So a lot of business still haven't reached as yet, and I know COVID have really slowed things down. It's a very, very beautiful mall, I have to say. I love the colors. Very spacious. Space for pharmacy, space for hardware, space for restaurant. They have a bank, they have a space earmarked for a bank, earmarked for a fast food vendor. They have food court, they have a space for cinema. So it's a very complete mall. But I don't know if it's the best location, to be honest, because we see it's vastly still empty. It could be because of COVID, it could be because they're taking a while, but what do you guys think? Do you think this was the ideal location for this investment by Sagicor? I love it that it's in Maypen, because Maypen is really my place. That's where I grew up. So I love the fact that it's in Maypen. I love the fact that they are creating a commerce area away from Maypen town. But what do you guys think, being that it's still basically empty? You know, coming here to do this update for you guys, I thought it would have been, you know, a lot more tenants. So I'm kind of surprised by that. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section. What I'm going to show you guys next is the gas stations that they newly built. So 2 new gas stations in the vicinity of the mall. There was none before. So this mall did bring a lot of commerce to the Mineralites area. So that was really good. So let's take a look at the gas stations. Alright, so this is gas station number 1. It's a Texaco. They're basically just finishing up. Alright, so this is on the outskirts of Mineralites, and there's a new car mart out there as well, right over there. So a lot of new business coming right with the Millennium Mall. So 2 gas stations, the car mart, and then they have a car wash over there as well, right there. So a little boost in the development in Mineralites. Just showing you guys around the area. So leave your comments, guys. Let me know what you think about the location. Let me know what you think about the mall itself, Millennium Mall. Let me know what you think about the tenancy and the fact that it's still basically empty. And now we have 2 gas stations competing with each other. So I'll show you guys the other gas station now. And thanks for watching as always. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll close the video off with the final gas station. Alright guys, this is gas station number 2. The company is Global. So they're right beside Omar's Roti, right beside Regency Plaza, and they're on the edge of Mineralites. So before there was no gas station, the closest was I think what, in Maypen, and now right now at Mineralites we have 2 gas stations. So that's really good for the community and persons traveling as well. You're going on the highway or coming off the highway, you know, you have somewhere to fill up. So that's really good. So this is your video update, Millennium Mall, Mineralites housing scheme, just highlighting some of the development for you guys.